Tim in Salisbury, North Carolina asks, I'm currently in the Forex market and have been positioning myself for the inevitable collapse of the U.S. dollar. In your opinion, what is the best currency to buy against the U.S. dollar?
Well, I think the best thing to buy is real money, gold. I think gold will lose more value. I mean, the dollar will lose more value relative to gold than it will relative to any of the other fiat currencies. It's possible that maybe the RMB, under the right circumstances, if China does the right thing, maybe it could outperform gold, but I don't think so. But if you want to just stay in the realm of fiat currencies, look at the currencies that I have in my investment products, the ones that we have in our bond funds, or the countries that we focus on in our value funds. But off the top of my head, we like the Singapore dollar, we buy the Swiss franc, we buy the New Zealand dollar, the Australian dollar, the Norwegian krona, the Swedish krona. We have some currencies in South America. I think the Chilean peso. Some in Eastern Europe. I mean, there are a number of currencies that we own, and we try to diversify our currencies the same way you would diversify your stocks or your bonds. But of course, we don't buy all the currencies. I mean, we eliminate the ones that we think are going to have the biggest problems. So we don't buy everything. We're very selective in the ones that we buy, but we're not putting all of our eggs in one basket. And, again, too, talk to one of the brokers at Euro Pacific Capital. If you are interested in acquiring currencies and investing foreign currencies in stocks and bonds around the world, have a discussion with one of my brokers about the countries we like the best, the currencies we like the best, the sectors we like the best, and see if you can open up an account, either a managed account or a brokerage account, whatever is best appropriate for what you're trying to accomplish.